इस डिस्टेंस में सब लोग आ जाते हैं. Thank you everybody. Know anything about the Indian Gorkhas?
Not really.
Hi, good morning and welcome back. My name is Bidhan and today I am in a place called Saputara. It's a very strange thing that I landed up here, you know. Actually, when I was in Pune, the whole of Maharashtra was under lockdown and I was not able to go to places like Ellora and a whole lot of other places that I wanted to go because they were all closed down. So I started looking up places and then found this place by the name of Saputara. Now this is on the Gujarat side of the border and exactly like right in the border. But it is one of the most beautiful little places that I came across in this entire trip. And another thing I wanted to mention is a friend of mine has been saying, why don't you add a little bit of Pahadi in your thing? There's too much of English. मलाई अलिकति नेपालीमा क्या बोल्नु कोही कोही बेला मेरो मुखबाट अरू शब्दहरू बेसी निस्किन्छ क्या, स्पेशली इन नेपाली इन हिन्दी. I am better off in English for most of the times, like the way my friends know me. So yeah, right now we'll just go along, follow the route. I'm going to the Statue of Unity today, and yeah, I'll show you the best possible things I can. And yes, Saputara is really beautiful. Have a look. Okay, we are about to move from Saputara now. Okay, this is Manas Homestay and that is Dhirenji, and this is where I was staying, very comfortable for my budget. Thank you sir. Dhirenji निकलते अब थोड़ा help कर देंगे ये stand के लिए, मैं उल्टा उसमें हूँ. Thank you sir. Thank you. You see, that's the thing. The bike is tall for me, so sometimes if it is on the wrong side of things, I'm not able to remove the stand. So I'm very careful where I park my bike. So I am going towards the Statue of Unity. This is the gate that leads you out. In fact, I don't know if you can see the boards up there. They really have different, it must be really old because they have different spellings of the way they spell Ahmedabad and all. See, especially Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is A-M-D-A-V-A-D. This is Gujarat, and Saputara is supposedly the only hill station of Gujarat. Within the Sahyadri mountains, the hill station that is. By the way guys, I don't know how it is recording because the lighting may be a little too low. Because I have been moving out right in the morning, early mornings. And today actually I'm a little late. Yesterday I moved out when it was dark. So because now the summers are hitting, it is better or safer, you know. I would ride about 6 hours a day. So if I were to start right in the morning as soon as possible, I get better weather for the first half of the day. Otherwise, riding during midday is a lot of trouble right now. See, the sun is just rising. Usually what happens is I really fervently follow Google Maps, and I have said this in my previous vlog as well, and I usually always follow Google Maps and Google takes you through the shortest distance between two places types, and sometimes it takes you through some of the most beautiful places, but you should know how to use it properly, and not get lost. But yeah, right now I'm going through this village. It has routed me through some village and it is absolutely beautiful. I'm loving it. Take a look. The roads are getting smaller and the village is going deeper. Okay, we are supposed to go right from here. So what happens is, oh, look at that house. So okay, it's a proper village right here, a small one. I guess it's a part of a bigger village. Okay, I'm gonna stop for some tea and some things. And whenever I stop at these little places because it's, firstly, you're supporting them. Secondly, less attention grabbing. Sir, चाय दीजिए ना, चाय समोसे और ढोकला भी।
क्या दे रहा है क्या?
कैमरा
ये सब रिकॉर्ड हो जाता है तुम्हारा?
हाँ, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
हम भी दिखेंगे क्या आपको?
हाँ, एक मिनट। And I was looking for less attention here. I think I've got more than I bargained for. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, ठीक है ना? जैसे भैया को रिकॉर्ड किया, आप इधर आ जाओ ना, इधर आ जाओ। आप देख लो, मैं आपको भी कर लूँगा। जैसे इनका रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, साइड में नंबर दिख रहा है ना? हाँ, वो कितना सेकंड का रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है वो है।
अरे आपके साथ लो ना यार हमको।
आपके साथ, मेरे साथ? एक मिनट।
आपके साथ लोगे तो आप हमको देखेंगे ना कोई यार।
हाँ, थोड़ा इधर आते हैं।
हाँ।
इस डिस्टेंस में सब लोग आ जाते हैं।
हाँ।
मेरा नाम विधान है।
हाँ।
और आप लोग?
हम
आशिफ। आप?
शादी।
हाँ। मैं आपको गोरखा मालूम है? गोरखा लोग जो होते हैं, हम गोरखा है, इंडियन गोरखा है। हम दार्जिलिंग से आए हैं, मतलब सिक्किम के पास में से, है ना? तो अभी राइड कर रहे हैं। हाँ, तो आप लोग मेरे कैमरे में आने चाहते हैं, इसलिए मैंने डाला, और ये मैं डाल देता हूँ यूट्यूब में।
कुछ नहीं, यूट्यूब डाल लेने का।
हाँ, डालने का।
जो बोले वो तो कैमरे में क्यों नहीं?
वो कैमरा नहीं है, वो फोन है।
कैमरा इधर है।
कैमरा इधर है।
हाँ, उधर
कैमरा इधर है। बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट स्टॉपिंग इन रूरल प्लेसेस। हाँ, चाय पी। आप भी आना चाहते हो? आपका दुकान का नाम क्या है?
ये रानी जी।
Oh, ये दुकान। So I've got to this shop. So I'm having doklas and samosas and tea. That's the crowd over my bike now. I'm gonna enjoy my meal now, my breakfast rather, and take care of all the attention that I just got. Something I didn't bargain for. Okay, I've had my tea, I've had everything. I'm gonna start my bike. Thank you everybody. आप लोगों को मिलके बहुत अच्छा हुआ। 2 मिनट के लिए फिर भी बहुत बातें हुआ यार। मैंने अपने बारे में बहुत बताया शायद। I actually told them about the Indian Gorkhas and I was explaining to them as to what we are and where we come from. Some of them actually knew Darjeeling. So, yeah, that is good news, bro. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. See ya. So, yeah, that was pretty cool, man. I stopped there thinking no attention to be gained, and I gained a lot of attention actually, and then they literally listened to me and my story. We were talking about so many other examples as to how India was comprised of so many different places that became India post-independence, the Union of India. See, I did not tell them we were a different country or something. We were not. But we were not a part of Bengal. That story I was telling them, and they kind of understood that very quickly. Okay, let's carry on with the ride now. There's the statue. I can see it. So, हाँ जी सर, स्टैचू। हाँ, बुक किया है। नहीं बुक नहीं किया है, हम अभी अंदर नहीं जाएगा, हम थोड़ा बाहर तक जाएगा, फिर होटल जाएगा, फिर शाम को 4-5 बजे आएगा। एक बार होटल BGR होटल किया है। BGR हाँ हाँ राइट। थैंक यू। No.
What location?
Nothing. Thank you, man. I'm Vidhan.
Thank you.
Hi. No, I'm just like, I'm not gonna go inside. I just wanted to see it from both sides.
You want to come with us along the bridge on the best view point over the best view
Oh
point.
yeah, let's go.
Okay.
You're going there?
Yeah.
Which side? This side?
We have to cross the bridge. We are crossing.
Bike is allowed, right? Bike is allowed?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I'll follow you. I didn't know about this other side. If it wasn't for these two guys, and I'm very thankful to them. Oh, it's called Best View. Okay, this place is called Best View. Yes. Yeah, this is the best viewpoint. What do you guys think? They say that it's 3,000 crores or something, no, to make this.
Yeah.
See, I'll give you my honest opinion. I'm from Darjeeling, okay? And in Sikkim, we have a lot of these statues. And if this is for 3,000 crores, I'm a little not impressed. You know, I was thinking this is going to be at least 4 times bigger than this. Do you guys know anything about the Indian Gorkhas?
Not really. Not really.
Basically, the Indian Gorkhas is like... So yeah, man, that is me telling a little bit of a story. That's what I do every time I meet somebody. Before this also, I met some village guys on the way. And उनको भी पूरा class दिया. So yeah, man. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys at the hotel. I thank those two guys and I'm leaving. I'm on my way to the hotel now. So this is the hotel I'm staying in. It's called BRG Budget Stay. Rooms at the rate 470 per person also. So this is the best place I could get. This is the best budget place that I could find. Okay, I have reached my room. When they say a budget room, when they say a budget hotel, this is a pure budget hotel, one of those types which is commercially made. In the sense like, these guys have around 100 plus rooms. And you cannot expect room service, you cannot expect a lot of things, not even a tea coffee maker. But it is cheap and the rooms are good. So, especially for bikers and single persons, it turns out pretty affordable. And I came to this hotel so that I can sit down and make some videos and post it. Yeah, and from here onwards, I will not be putting my regular vlogs much. It will be more of moto vlogs for a few days because due to COVID, I have not been able to go and film a lot of places. I will just be riding for the next couple of days, so it's going to be a lot of moto vlogs. I'll see you guys around until the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Cheers. Alvida. Goodbye. Until the next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to throw in some support, do subscribe.